Check in the text below and also in the comments. I'll provide a link on how you can purchase this product or one similar. It helps me out a little bit if you use that link when you do your shopping. Thanks a bunch. I've been using the FB100 for a long time and just recently got the FB500. The improvements over this, of the 500 over the 100, is it's rechargeable, so you don't have to fill the batteries. And then you hold it down for 3 seconds. That cuts it on. You can't see because of the light. Cuts it on low speed, again on medium speed, and then again on high speed. And then you hold it 3 seconds to cut it off. So this brush is a lot bigger than the one for the FB100. I like that. That means it cleans my face a lot faster. It feels like it's a little bit more effective than the smaller brush for the 100. I really, really do. I like this thing. This is the FB500, a 5-in-1 electric face brush. Let's get the cellophane off. Main features: deep purifying dirt and oil, 5 multifunctional and exchangeable brush heads. Quick change, charging takes 1 hour. 3 adjustable speed modes. Waterproof design, rechargeable and cordless. How nice. Portable and ergonomic. Very nice packaging. I'm going to cover up that. Here's the manufacturer's information. Oh, it has a nice bag for travel. Drawstring. We have an instruction book, which I'll sit down and read all that and come back with the pertinent information. But it does have a graph that indicates all the parts and tells you what all the various heads are for. It's a customer service card. And wow, look at that. Has a cover. I don't think my other one has a cover for it. So it has a nice big brush like this. Take this off before we go. See if it has any power in it. It's shipped. Nope, I'll need to charge it up. Has a big brush. Get that out. I think this is the one. This is the size of the one I use the most on mine. So that you could use on larger areas. I think these are like buffers and exfoliators. That one feels a little rough. And it comes with a USB charger and a C charger. Everything should be C chargers, right? Yay. So we'll plug it in and get it going. Has a nice solid base. Here's where we plug it in. Let's charge it up. It doesn't come with a wall charger. Most things don't. So if you have one of those, you'll need to use it. So plug that in there. And then put the C charger in the device. Then I'll put the wall charger in. And I don't see... Oh, yes, there's how it's telling me that it's charging. Nice. So I will let that charge for an hour like it says. While we're waiting, I'll show you my old one. I have the FB100 that I've been using for a couple of years. I really do like it. I went traveling for a week and didn't take it with me, and my skin just didn't feel clean. It felt flaky and icky and gross, and so I'm going to keep this one in my travel bag and keep this one at home and never be without one. My other one had similar brushes. You can compare the two in case you're wondering which one to buy. So this is the FB100 and this is the new one. So it looks like the brush is a little bit bigger on the new one. Looks like these two brushes are the same size, but they don't have the same type of connector. These like they're little different sizes. Yeah, the 100 is a little bit smaller. The 500 is much grittier and larger. And again, they have different connectors on the back. They're not going to be interchangeable between the two devices. This is the 100. This is the 500. I don't think I've ever used these other brushes. And again, the different connectors. I really don't think I've used any of these on my 100 because this just did everything I needed it to. You can see that I use it and it's worn out. It's only been about 35 minutes and the MID light is not flashing, it's solid. That indicates it's fully charged. I don't use this to take makeup off. I cleanse my face and then I use this actually in the morning when my face is all clean. I use a cleanser on it to start my day. I don't use it to take the makeup off at the end of the day, but you can do that if you like, if that's what you want to use it for. All the makeup is off. I just put a little water on mine. Then I add a drop or two of a cleanser. This is one I really like. I'm in Beauty Club. Check in the text below and I'll provide a link for it in case you want to join. So I get all these little samples. I really, for like $13 a month, and this one's really, really good. One of my favorites. I have all my little soaps here. My scrubs there from my beauty thing. And my masks from my Beauty Club there. It's really worth it. It's fun getting the samples. And then I just take the brush, and mine only has one speed, so not working. What am I doing wrong? Well, this is supposed to be the off and on switch, but I'm mashing it and nothing's happening. Just plug it back in and let it charge some more. It's not flashing, so it should be fully charged. The instructions say press the off and on button for 3 seconds to turn on the device. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Still not coming on. 1, 2, 3. I don't know what to do other than let it charge some more. And when I'm finished with mine, I just rinse it off. And then use a dry towel to dry it off. I store mine in this handy dandy door hanger with all of my other hair supplies. Check in the text below and I'll provide you a link for that as well. So you just hold this down for 3 seconds. That cuts it on the low speed. You hold it one more time or hit it one more time, that puts it on medium. And one more time it goes on the fast mode. Then hold it 3 seconds to cut it off. I like this because my FB500 use batteries, and this one is the rechargeable, so I won't have to be fooling with the batteries. I like that you can stand it up like that. It's very ergonomic, so let's use it now. I'm going to put a little bit of water on it. Put a few drops of my facial cleanser on. 3 seconds. This was low. I'm going to do it one more time for medium. You can see that the larger brush cleans the face really quickly, and this is high. So I used it one time before I started filming on high, and it just, with a large brush and the high speed, it really didn't take long to clean my face at all. And then hold it 3 seconds to cut it off. So the only thing I found is the way that I'm holding it. Sometimes I accidentally cut it off one time. So I'm holding it like this while I'm using it. I'm trying to remember to hold it like that when I'm using it instead of holding it like that. But very cool device. And then I just take a washcloth, put some warm water on it, wring it out, and then just wipe my face off like that. And Looking at the heads, number 8, this is the makeup remover brush head. Number 9, this is the sensitive brush, the one that I first used. Then number 10 is the body cleansing brush head to cleanse larger areas. And number 11 is the normal, and I'll be putting that one on here. I don't need the sensitive one. My skin is really rough. And then this is number 12, the dead skin remover head. And that one feels like it's got more grit than the FB500, so I'll probably try it as well. Like on my feet. Maybe. See how easy it is to remove. Oh, pretty easy. I'm going to dry that off before I put another one on there, just to help reduce the chance of mildew. Now let's put this one on. Popped right in. Okay, nice. I'll use that one. Let's try it with the regular one. Low, medium, high. Yeah, this is the brush for me. Check in the text below and also in the comments. I'll provide a link on how you can purchase this product or one similar. It helps me out a little bit if you use that link when you do your shopping. Thanks a bunch. Thank you for watching. If you have time before you go, watch another video. Consider giving this video a thumbs up, leaving a positive comment, and subscribing to my channel or to a playlist that has items of your particular interest. Thanks a bunch.